This is what political mobilization looks like in Haiti's capital. A group of activists making the rounds to get people to demonstrate for the return of former President Jean-Bertrand Aristide. Aristide's support has always been strong in Port-au-Prince's poorest neighborhoods, like here in Bel Air. But in Haiti's post-earthquake chaos, these organizers from his political party, Lavalas, say there are opportunities to be taken.
Now it's the moment for Lavalas to wake up and get out of its hole and to ask for the return of Jean-Bertrand Aristide.
Everyone we spoke to here had one message: bring back the former president. And it wasn't long before a crowd gathered to make their views heard.
There's been a sense of frustration in these camps for weeks as supplies of food and water have been scarce, but those protests are now taking on a new form.
It seems that the number of political demonstrations is growing. Here in downtown Port-au-Prince, at this protest firmly controlled by the activists we met earlier, demonstrators weren't just asking for help. They were chanting support for the former president's political party. Aristide rode to victory in 1991 on the back of a popular reform movement, but was twice removed from power, the last time in 2004. In a country said to have more millionaires per capita than any Caribbean or Latin American nation, yet where the vast majority suffer intense poverty, his egalitarian policies resonated strongly with Haiti's poor, if not its rich. In Cité Soleil, where those demonstrators were mostly from, it's hard to find people who don't want Aristide to come back and rescue Haiti from its crisis.
The majority of Haiti is like poor people. The poor people love him and they will die for him.
Why?
Because he the one that make them see things. He the one that open their eyes.
Haiti's current president, René Préval, has kept a relatively low profile in public, leading to criticism among some that he's failed to show leadership. But there is also a sense that the chaos left behind is being manipulated by those seeking political advantage, and some say the time isn't right for politics. At a radio station considered to be anti-Lavalas, there's little support for a return of the former president.
Using the situation to talk about Aristide, that's a fake. People, they must know what they need. They need is not Aristide, they need house, they need clothes, they need food. Because some people doesn't have anything, they lost everything that they had. So now it's important for them to be organized and to know what they want. It's not a matter of political fighting.
Whether the time's right or not, it seems there are growing calls on the streets for Aristide's return, and they're likely to get louder. Sebastian Walker, Aljazeera in Port-au-Prince, Haiti.